Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery draining problem on HONOR X5c Plus. So first go into the settings, battery right here, and we have a couple of modes. First is performance mode. Optimize settings to deliver maximum performance. Power consumption and device temperature will increase. So we don't want this option. Next is power saving mode. When we enable it, a couple of options will be changed in our phone, and that's what we're heading for. But I'll disable it for now just to show you these options, every one of them. And we have ultra power saving mode, but that would limit your phone options too much, so I don't recommend using this. Of course, if you really need more time with your phone, then enable it. Then when we go right here, we have battery optimization, and here we can automatically optimize, for example, in my case, disable background runnings. Then when we open the background apps, I always recommend closing them. Next thing is in the display and brightness. I'll recommend using the dark theme because it would save so much battery. And right here we have brightness. Lower the brightness of your phone or use the automatic brightness. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.